Greetings of the day to you all. Today, India is celebrating Rashtriya Ekta Divas, that is, National Unity Day. In view of this, let us highlight on the life of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, the Iron Man of India. Rashtriya Ekta Divas is celebrated on 31st October every year in India since 2014 as annual commemoration of the birthday of Iron Man of India, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, one of the founding members of Republic of India. During his term as the Home Minister of Independent India, he is credited for the integration of over 560 independent princely states into Indian Union from 1947 to 1949 by the Indian Independence Act of 1947. He is also known as the Bismarck of India. Friends, we all know that India is a country having diversity in religion, culture, caste, language, etc. So, it is very important to maintain unity. Hence, the Government of India proposed the Rashtriya Ekta Divas on 31st October 2014 as a mark of respect to acknowledge the strength and struggles and sacrifices of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Now, let us know some lesser known facts about Vallabhbhai Patel. Vallabhbhai Patel was born on 31st October 1875 at Nadiad, Gujarat. His full name was Vallabhbhai Jawaharibhai Patel. He attended his primary school at Karmasar and high school at Nadiad, Petlad. He was married at the age of 16. He passed his matriculation at the age of 22 and passed his district pleaders examination, due to which he was able to practice law. In 1910, he went to London for his further studies and returned back in 1930 as a barrister in criminal law. Initially, he was not interested in politics, but after he met Mahatma Gandhi in 1917, he was motivated to quit his job and join the independence struggle. He always worked hard to unite India. He was a key member of various movements like the Bardoli campaign, peasants movement, civil disobedience movement, etc. He was lucky enough to taste the fruits of independence on 15th August 1947. He died on 15 December 1950 at Mumbai. Sardar Patel worked with astonishing speed to dismantle the history of imperialism and create the geography of unity with the spirit of nationalism. He saved India from balkanization and integrated even the weakest of limbs into national framework. Sardar Patel was the first Deputy Prime Minister and Home Minister of India. He is credited with the integration of princely states into Indian Union, especially Junagadh, Hyderabad and Kashmir. On the birth anniversary of Sardar Patel, on 31st October 2018, our Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi unveiled the Statue of Unity in Gujarat's Narmada district. The Statue of Unity unveiled by Prime Minister Modi is 182 meters high, marking it the tallest in the world, and built at the cost of Rs 2,989 crores. Sardar Patel was posthumously awarded the Bharat Ratna in 1991. So friends, let us reaffirm the inherent strength and resilience of our nation to withstand the actual and potential threats to the unity, integrity, and security of our nation. On this auspicious day, let us take the Ekta Divas pledge. I solemnly pledge that I dedicate myself to preserve the unity, integrity, and security of the nation, and also strive hard to spread this message among my fellow countrymen. I take this pledge in the spirit of unification of my country, which was made possible by the vision and actions of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. I also solemnly resolve to make my own contribution to ensure internal security of my country. Thank you.